Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we go over everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things going on in the crypto sphere. In today's episode, we talk about Bitcoin briefly breaking below 9K, and the markets are still comatose. Crypto.com saying user growth is coming from products, not coin speculation. And because Bitcoin dropped below 9K for the 7th time, traders are expecting big drops. We also go over the current top cryptocurrency prices as well as a brief analysis on Bitcoin to see if we can see something. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, July 3rd. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. And if you're new here and you like what you see, consider subscribing down below and ticking the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's jump into these prices. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $9,096.82, down 1.67% from yesterday. Ethereum down 2.15% at $226.63. EOS down 1.2% at $2.35. Litecoin down 1.5% at $41.09. And XRP also down 1.2% at 0.74804. Cryptocurrency volume still low. Bitcoin sitting at 15.6 billion over the last 24 hours. Ethereum 6.3 billion. XRP 973 million, and Litecoin 1.3 billion. Now let's jump into TradingView and do a quick analysis on Bitcoin because I think the price might drop. So as everybody knows, huge red candlestick on March 12th, Black Thursday, Black Friday, Black someday. Then Bitcoin got on a spaceship and jumped straight up to 10K. These first two corrections stayed between the range of 8,500 and 10,000. Then we broke past 10,000 for a third time and have been slanting downwards ever since. I like to mark up my key price points, so I have a price here at 8,000 and 9,000. And since April, we've actually broken below this $9,000 barrier 7 times. This one on May 23rd was a big concern because many people bought short thinking the price would continue to go down, but the whales trapped all the people going short and it actually spiked back up to 10,000. Right now we're still testing this $9,000 barrier, but if it does drop below, the next deep resistance point is going to be 8,000 because as you can see here, there's literally nothing stopping the price between 8 and 9,000. So if you're familiar with technical analysis whatsoever, key resistance and support levels work like this. The price will go up and come down. It will use that support level and keep it above that price. But if it breaks below that support and stays there, then it becomes a resistance and can't get up past it. So hopefully we stay above 9,000. If we don't, again, there's nothing stopping it to go down to 8,000. This first article is titled Bitcoin Briefly Breaks Below 9K, but Markets Remain Comatose. Despite the brief 3% afternoon drop, however, the cryptocurrency markets continue to stay eerily calm as volatility drops and traders continue to expect a big move. Bitcoin was changing hands around $9,060 as of 8 p.m. UTC. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, dropped 3%, trading around $225 as of 8 p.m. UTC. Bitcoin teased bearish traders Thursday with a 3% dip from 9,250 to 8,930 in the afternoon hours. The move sparked a series of liquidations on BitMEX, spiking to 30 million after the afternoon price move. Liquidations have been fairly flat for several days on the largest Bitcoin derivatives platform. Despite the afternoon drop, spot trading volumes were relatively stable compared to the preceding few days. The cryptocurrency world is in such a standstill right now that the only thing people can do is write articles on how dead it is. And on to the next article of the day, titled Crypto.com says user growth coming from products, not token speculation. Credit card lender Crypto.com has boosted the number of total users by at least 50% in the last 2 months to 3 million. The company's chief disclosed the increase in response to questions from first movers about the year's dominating market gains. According to the company's website, the token can be used for cross-asset intermediary currency settlement for the native Crypto.com chain. The CRO token has nearly quadrupled in price this year, the top performer among digital assets with a market capitalization of at least $1 billion. Cryptocurrency analysts, including Trading Block's John Todaro, say the Hong Kong-based company has raised its profile through extensive marketing efforts such as promotions and sponsorships, while pushing into new businesses that have attracted users and interest in the CRO token. Speculation is a hallmark of cryptocurrency markets, and traders appear to be betting big on CRO in 2020, given its 273% gain since the start of the year. So there's two ways to grow a type of business like this. Have tokens that are up and coming and popular and everybody wants to buy those tokens, so they do it on your platform, or you spend millions upon millions upon millions of dollars in marketing, which is what they did. So they're marketing their product and they say that the user increase is from their products, but I think the user increase is from their marketing strategy. Who knows? I could be wrong, but I'm usually not. And onto the last article of the day, titled "Traders Brace for Big Drops as Bitcoin Dips Below 9K for the 7th Time." The price of Bitcoin dropped below 9K in a rapid pullback, falling 5% in 48 hours. It marked the 7th drop to the 8,000s for the top-ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization within a span of 2 months since early May. Thus, traders have been concerned that repeated drops below 9K may be weakening a critical support level. Meanwhile, only 30 million worth of futures contracts were liquidated on the recent drop on BitMEX. The futures data indicates there exists a possibility of a bigger drop. Bitcoin was due for a major price movement following the nearly 2-month low volatility. The direction of BTC's next move was uncertain because BTC USD was not at a pivotal point. Technically, if Bitcoin stayed above 9,200, a potential retest of 9,500 and the $10,000 resistance level were plausible, but the continuous retests of the $9,000 support level may leave BTC vulnerable to a deep pullback. Breaking down through 9K, this latest drop invalidates the potential inverse head and shoulders reversal with a breach of the right shoulder. Same thing happened on June 25th. On June 25th, the price of Bitcoin dropped as low as 8,827 in a rapid fall, primarily triggered by a sell-off of several miners. Data from ByteTree suggests some miners have started to sell more Bitcoin than usual once again this time around. In the past week, 6,619 Bitcoins were mined and 6,809 were sold. Miners sold more Bitcoin than they mined, leaving a negative net inventory of 190 Bitcoins. The selling pressure caused BTC to drop from 9,250 to 8,932, likely came from miners and the spot market. The futures market had a relatively weak impact on the large price drop of Bitcoin, giving a low amount of short liquidations on BitMEX. Still, for the price of Bitcoin to drop to major multi-month support levels like 6,000, some traders believe that BTC would have to drop below 8,000. For example, some random Bitcoin trader posted on Twitter, "Triple top on daily, bearish pattern, will trigger at close below 8,000 with a target to 6,000, either triple top or range lock." If the Bitcoin price continues to fall in the next several days to the low 8,000s, it would significantly triple top at a larger time frame. The two previous tops were achieved in October 2019 and February 2020 when Bitcoin hit 10,500. All of the technical analysis that this article is touting is correct. If you look at historical data across all markets and Forex and stocks and bonds and equities, this type of indicator usually leads to the following. However, Bitcoin is a rare beast and random things happen when people least expect it. So this could be correct and the price could drop down. Or this could be completely wrong and the price could shoot up to $10,000 tomorrow. Thus is the volatility of cryptocurrencies. What are you going to do? Buy or sell? Leave it in the comments down below. I'd like to start a discussion on this. Don't forget to leave a like on your way out, and we will see you back here on Monday, so have a wonderful weekend.